Hello everybody and my fellow YouTubers, welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time stopping by, I thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I post my next video, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be preparing this delicious salmon salad. So this is what I need, all the ingredients you need to prepare it. Alright, like a day like today, the weather out here in New York is like 80 degrees. So it's like a good day to make a delicious salad. So that's why I'm doing this and showing you guys how I do it. Alright, so keep watching. Okay, my people. Alright, so all you need is these. If you have these at home, you don't need to go food shopping. Just get together whatever you have in your fridge and put these bad boys together. Alright, salmon, as you can see, I'm going to use 2 right here. Tomatoes, these little ones here, like cucumber, onions, very important. I like the colorful ones. Lemon, I'm going to use this to squeeze into here, as well as use it to make my salad dressing. Of course, I love this lettuce, the foxy ones, that's what I like. And sea salt is a must. Onion, no, this is garlic powder, sorry. Virgin oil, that's for my salad later. Onion powder and black pepper and cilantro. I'm going to use this to prepare my own salad dressing. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to make our salmon. Okay, so let's season our salmon. Onions, both sides, well coated. Garlic powder. Black pepper. A pinch of sea salt. Both sides. Lemon, squeeze the juice in, both sides. And then leave aside for a few minutes. I'll say 10 minutes, okay, to marinate. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back, guys. So now we will heat up our pan first and foremost. Heat it up. Drop a tiny bit of oil, half a tablespoon of oil. Alright guys, we are now frying our salmon, low heat. You do not want it to burn, okay? See? Now we'll turn it the other way also. Okay, so our salmon is done now. So we'll now remove. Look how pretty that looks. Now I'm gonna put that aside, set that aside, and then start to prepare our salad now. Stay tuned. Alright. We're gonna slice our lettuce. Alright, I'm gonna spread our salad into a nice big bowl. Looks nice and so pretty. Now our cucumber, we'll slice them nice and thin. Oops. Then put our cucumber nicely in here. And then our tomatoes. I like the little ones, but I'm gonna cut it. Alright, so we're gonna add our tomatoes in here. I'm gonna add our onions. So now our onions goes in. We're gonna slice our onions thinly sliced, as thin as possible. Watch your hands, don't cut your hands, guys. I did this last time. I need a better. It's our onions. Okay, we're gonna add our onions in the bowl now. And now we're gonna add our avocado. Okay, I'm going to use one this time. Avocado, I love avocado. It makes everything taste better. Makes my salad taste better. Okay, now I'm going to slice in our avocado into our salad as thin as you can slice it. We're going to add our avocado in here. Now we're going to set it aside, and now we're going to prepare our salad dressing now. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so now we are going to prepare our salad dressing now, okay? Alright, so first thing that you need to put is this is half tablespoon of brown sugar. That's what this is here, half tablespoon brown sugar. And this is sea salt, half a tablespoon of sea salt as well. We are going to put one tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, extra virgin olive oil, that's what you use. That goes in there. We're going to add our black pepper. We're going to add our cilantro. We add it in here. Now we're going to add lemon juice. Squeeze it in. We'll turn this together. God, it smells so good in here. Okay, my lovely people, this is our salad dressing that we're going to dress this beautiful salad with. So this is done. I'm going to set this aside. Now we're going to take care of these, our salmon. We're going to slice this into small tiny pieces, so when you bite this salad you get some crunchies of this delicious salmon. Now we're gonna put this salmon, spread them all around in our salad. Spread out. Okay guys, so everything is ready. We're gonna put it all together now. Just pour all this together in here. And then we'll turn them together. Make sure everything is coated together, balanced together. So nice. Summertime. It's a summer salad here, guys. Can't go wrong with this. Now it's ready to serve. This is what you call a fancy salad. Those of you who love salad, like I do, give this one a try. And then, my people, will top these things up like this. Okay. There you go. Voila. Our summer salad is ready to be eaten. So guys, I thank you so much for watching my channel today. Please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you know when I post my next video. And just think about helping me grow my channel. Alright, all you new subscribers, just thank you. And the old ones, I thank you for sticking by me still. And I'll talk to you later. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.